Amalie Oil Company is proud of its state-of-the-art main production facility in Tampa, Florida. Located on a deep-water dock and with over 25 million gallons of bulk blending and storage capabilities, Amalie has the economies of scale to economically produce fully licensed products that meet or exceed manufacturers' requirements, various sanction bodies, as well as our customers' expectations. We boast some of the fastest and most sophisticated bottle, blow molding, blending, and packaging equipment available. The scope of Amalie's operation is enormous. 1 million gallons. Over 25 million gallons of base oil and additives can be stored on site. Those ingredients are mixed, bottled, all with quality and consistency in mind.
Our products are sold in all 50 states and in over 100 countries. And the quality standards that we adhere by are at the highest standards in the industry.
When someone buys a quart of Amalie, they can say it's better than it has to be.
Amalie Oil, better than it has to be since 1903.